Hi, my name is Nathan Davis. I'd like to give you a mortgage market update for the month ending February 2019. So a couple months are already in the books here for 2019. We haven't seen a whole lot of changes with regards to mortgage rates. If anything, they've been slightly moving down. We've pretty much been staying right around in the mid 4% range on a 30-year fix, depending whether you're looking at an FHA or conventional loan. Now it's kind of interesting because if we look back at the same time last year in 2018, rates are pretty much the same. And we know in 2018 we saw quite a number of rate increases throughout the year. In fact, we hit a high in November. But really since then, rates have started to trickle down, rolled into 2019, and here we are pretty much right back to where we were this time, 2018. So that's really good news for our buyers because, rates at lower levels certainly helps more people qualify. And frankly, I don't really see a whole lot of changes coming in the next couple months. The Federal Reserve, they seemed fairly happy of just monitoring the market, not raising short-term interest rates, at least here in the near term, and seeing how inflation and other economic data rolls out. So again, kind of steady as she goes is the theme here so far for 2019. The other thing I want to share with you is recently the Federal Housing Finance Agency, they rolled out their Q4 2018 House Price Index. Now the House Price Index measures price appreciation in sold homes, not activity, but appreciation. So what we saw with our three counties were basically from Q3 to Q4, there was no appreciation. Okay, so everything was pretty much flat for all three counties. Now, so basically what that means is if you bought a home in August 2018, by December, it really hadn't changed in value. Now, when you compare Q4 2018 to Q4 2017, well, there was about a 4% annual increase to sometimes 5% depending on which market. Punta Gorda and Naples were a little higher than Lee County. So 4 to 5% annual appreciation. Now that's steady, that's healthy. No, it's not the 12 to 15% annual appreciation we were seeing a few years ago, but frankly, we all know that can't be sustained. Now, as we look at maybe in the near term, how do the signs from quarter to quarter give us an idea what's going to happen for 2019? Well, it looks like more than likely we're going to see very little appreciation in homes in 2019. And here's one of the things that I think a lot of people are seeing. You have some sellers that are trying to get this for their home, and you have some that have come to realization are willing to get this. Now, depending on the demand, some may stick to here, and if they've got a really nice house, they may sell it. Where others are going to have to sell them down here to get them sold. So when you kind of have that range that's now occurring in the market, well, that pretty much means that most things will pretty well stay level. So at the end of the day, again, I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of appreciation in 2019. Is that a bad thing? No, it's really not. In fact, if anything, that brings confidence to buyers that they know that they're buying in a stable market. They don't want to buy in a market that's obviously going down, and a lot of times they don't want to buy while it's going straight up either. So this is a nice market for buyers here going into 2019. So I'll keep you posted if we see any changes in the market as far as interest rate wise or as future reports come out from the Federal Housing Finance Agency. The last thing I want to share with you is a reminder that Hamilton Group Funding, we waive all lender fees for veterans. Whether you're doing a VA loan, conventional loan, FHA loan, doesn't matter. Now that's, again, a really nice incentive for our veterans. And here in the next month or so, I'm going to be announcing we're going to be rolling that out to first responders. So again, those are going to be another layer of customers that we're really reaching out to and trying to help here at Hamilton Group Funding. So I'll be sure to keep you up to date on that. If you have any questions, please call me 239-898-8841 or catch me on my website at agentslender.com. Have a great weekend.